Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mustang and how we can quickly and easily change the engine oil within a matter of a few minutes. Let's get started, and I'll also be listing all the tools and parts I use down below in the description box, as well as the oil filter that works for your particular S197, so please make sure to check it out down below in the description box. And today I'm going to be changing the oil on this Mustang with my oil extractor pump. There's no need to jack up the car and then drag yourself underneath and open up the drain plug. Everything's going to happen right from the top of the engine, and it's very easy to do. So let me share with you guys on how you can set this up and how you can easily change your engine oil. The first thing you want to do is make sure your engine is hot. It's at optimal temperature, so this way the engine oil flows out a lot easier and a lot quicker from our engine. You're going to come here and pull out your dipstick, and then set your dipstick aside in a safe area where it won't get dirty. And then your oil extraction pump is going to come with a few different sizes. You're just going to find the correct size that goes straight into the dipstick housing and then push it all the way in. So here's the size that works on my Mustang. It stopped right here. And then I'm going to connect my big one into this adapter. And then on this side, you're just going to connect in this adapter. And then open up your engine oil cap. And then just pump this about 6-7 times, and as you guys are seeing, the oil is starting to flow out. You're just going to let it sit and extract the oil out of your Mustang. And now what I'm going to do at this time is remove the oil filter. So the oil filter on the V6 3.7 liter Mustang is right down there by the pulleys. It's that blue canister you're seeing. And all you want to do is have a rag when you're opening that oil filter, because some oil is going to seep out of it. It's very hard to get my camera down there, but it's just a spin-on filter. You will be able to open it with your hands, but if in case it's a little too tight, you can use either one of these universal oil filter tools and be able to spin it right out. And then once you have your old filter out, just clean around the area and then install your new oil filter. And I'm going to be using this Ford Motorcraft one. It's the FL500S, and this is for the 3.7 liter Mustang. And you're just going to put it back into place and tighten it down. That's it. The oil has completely extracted out. I'm just going to pull out my tubing. And make sure you pull this out very slowly, because there's going to be still some remaining oil in the tubing. So either have a rag close by, or when you're slowly pulling it, just put your index finger on top of the tubing. Reinstall your oil dipstick. And now the last thing left to do is add our new engine oil. Place a clean funnel on top. And for the oil, I'm going with Mobil 1 5W20. As far as the engine oil, each model and every year is going to call for a slightly different amount, so please make sure to check your user's manual. So I've added the correct amount of engine oil. I'm going to pick up the funnel and then reinstall your engine oil cap. And then the best way to make sure you have the correct amount of engine oil is pull out your oil dipstick, clean it up one time, and then pull it out and check where your oil level is. And that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to change the engine oil and oil filter on your Mustang S197. And if you guys want to see more videos on this Mustang, please make sure to check out the playlist and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.